how to merge PDF files or how you can combine PDF file into one. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can merge PDF file into one. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser. Now if you go online, you'll be able to find multiple applications that can merge a PDF. So what you can do is just go ahead and type in PDF merge on the search box, and you can see the list results. From here you can just go ahead and explore each one of it, but what I would recommend is you can just go ahead and tap on the link that is smallpdf.com or merge PDF combine PDF files online for free. If you go ahead and tap on this, you'll be able to find an instruction, or you can just go ahead and tap on instructions as well. Now you can just go ahead and do it for free as well, just by tapping on choose file. After that, you need to locate your PDF file. So as you can see, these are the PDF files. Now this actually limits on some features, such as you might be able to see some kind of watermark or maybe some sort of quality and all that. However, this can actually help you to merge PDF file into one. After you're done merging the file, you need to tap on download, or you can just go ahead and tap on export as, and you can just select the type of file that you want, or you can tap on the share button. Apart from it, you can also find other features that you can go ahead and open up a new tab, and then on the web address bar type in pdftk, and you can find the link on the results. Here you can see this is the particular link that we're actually looking for. You tap on the link and here you'll be able to see all of the guides, such as if you create a PDFTK free or a friendly graphic tools for quickly merging and splitting all of these information. You can go through it and you can also see the instructions on how you can actually do this procedure. So these were some of the applications or tools on how you can actually merge PDF file into one. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.